great way to get that lasagna flavor without going to all the work.
Right.
And I know you did a skillet lasagna before, but we're gonna cut the prep time down to 15 minutes.
No, I meant the trick with the ravioli.
Oh yeah,
That's
absolutely.
awesome.
So you get the meaty, cheesy, delicious flavor. We're using spinach and ricotta, which is delicious.
She's doing
We're getting all
ravioli
the flavors.
layered with sauce. Duh.
And we're gonna use Italian sausage for this, sweet, spicy. If you're doing this for kids, you can just stick to sweet. I'm gonna drop these ravioli in. It takes 4 minutes.
And you can do chicken sausage, turkey sausage,
anything.
vegan sausage.
You can leave the sausage
You can adapt
out.
this. No, don't do that. No, don't do that. Don't listen to Kelly
Okay, don't
on
listen to
that
that, Ted. But anything works in this. That's what I love about this recipe. It's
So
a template.
versatile.
Yeah,
Right.
it's a template. That's what I love, a good template recipe that's a half homemade thing. So we drop those in 4 minutes. That's it.
That's it.
That's all we're gonna let that do its thing, and we're gonna walk through this sauce here, which is
Okay.
fantastic. We talked about the Italian sausage here. I have a mix of sweet and spicy.
So for every 4 people, you need what, like a pound?
I would say a pound.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean, I'm a big eater, so I would do pound and a half. So in with our sausage, what's great about using the Italian sausage, it's all got all that natural fat.
You want me to grate it
Right?
in there?
Yeah, grate it in there. Go
I already
for it.
smell like a sausage.
No.
That's fine.
Well, what I love too is I know you love crushed red peppers, so we got a little bit of spiciness, a little bit of sweetness with this, and it all kind of caramelizes on the bottom of the skillet here. And what's great about this too, Rach, is you can make this ahead of time even.
Yeah,
so you
of
can get the
course.
sauce done.
Sure.
You could just drop your ravioli in. So these, I said, we're going for 4 minutes. You just want them al dente because it is going to go in the oven for about 10 minutes.
What do I add next? What do I do?
So now
What
we're
do I
going to do crushed tomatoes and tomato sauce.
Crushed tomatoes and tomato sauce.
Yes.
Gotcha.
Now, I'm going to be honest here. You want even more of a shortcut? Jarred sauce. Totally fine.
Okay.
Okay, because we're doing a shortcut, you can still get tons of great flavor in. Fresh oregano, chopped up, that's
Gotcha.
gonna go in. Salt, pepper, and then, Rach, I love my sauce sweet.
A little bit of sugar?
A little bit of sugar in there.
A little bit of sugar.
To taste. And
Especially
you get
kids, they love it.
they love it.
It's
yes.
true.
My husband jokes it's like dessert pasta, but it's not. You just put as much sugar in as you want. Get it as sweet as you want. There you go. And the
salt and
fresh
pepper.
oregano kind of, married with that. There you go. I love over the shoulder. All right, so I'm gonna get my lasagna we're making lasagna. I'm gonna get my ravioli. Let me grab this behind you here. We're gonna drain this pasta. And then
Beautiful, looks perfect.
This goes straight into the skillet then. So everything gets mixed together. And this is the whole beauty. It's like a one skillet wonder.
I love it.
And it's gonna go into the oven. So this is still hot. Keep in mind, hot, hot, hot. And any sort of refrigerated ravioli works great in this. So if you wanted to do one that had chicken in it, if you wanted to do one just veggie, just cheese, I mean, you can mix it up if you don't want to have, the spinach in there. But again, a great way to get kids to eat veggies too.
Gorgeous.
On top of it.
Gorgeous.
So you mix this all together. We're also gonna add some shredded mozzarella there.
Gotcha.
And then this is gonna be that cheesy component because we're going for comfort in a skillet. So get that in there, stir that around, perfect. So this is gonna melt instantly.
And then a little more on top? Or?
Yes, so this is gonna go on top.
Okay,
So I stir this in, so we're kind of recreating those layers of classic lasagna,
Gotcha.
but in a fraction of the time. So
And then on topsies?
on tops. Now this is the great part. I love broiled cheese because I love that crispy,
Of course, who
golden
doesn't?
brown. It's delicious.
Who doesn't?
So this goes into the oven 10 minutes and then goes under the broiler for just 2 minutes. So
Excellent.
all of it comes together in about a 15-minute prep time and you get lasagna. I mean, it's insane to think about that. So this gets popped into the oven, 375. And then I'm gonna grab one here.
Oh, it's so perfect!
Does that not look amazing? Does that not look amazing?
You did it!
That golden brown, I did it without dropping it. Golden brown, can we talk about the best part of this? Those little burned, cheesy
brown
bits
bubbles
on top.
on the top,
I mean, that's the
please.
best part. It's the best part.
It is the
Cheesy,
best
delicious.
part, my girl.
And we're gonna serve this up.
Here, baby.
You can top it
Here.
with a little bit of additional oregano. You could do crushed red chili flakes on this.
Basil, whatever you got in the house.
Anything you want. Yeah,
There's
this
a paddle.
works. Love it.
Look, I want to make sure we have time to plug. So it's called The Secret Ingredient Cookbook. It's 125 recipes just like this one. Brilliant and as beautiful as she is.
You're the best.